Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your 13-inch MacBook Air model A1466. To get started, you will need a 13-inch A1466 battery compatible with your MacBook Air. And for the screwdrivers, you will need a P5 pentalobe screwdriver along with a T5 torah screwdriver. I got all my supplies in a kit which comes with an instruction manual, 4 screwdrivers, and of course the battery. Now let's jump straight into part 1, taking the old battery out. To start, flip your Mac over and you will see these 10 screws. First, you'll be taking off these 2 screws which are slightly longer with your pentalobe screwdriver. Then use the same screwdriver on the other 8 screws which are quite small and stubby. And I just put my screws on a magnet to keep them organized. Then go ahead and lift the bottom right off. And look at all that dust. Yeesh! Next, we have to disconnect the battery by pulling this little tab over here. Be sure to pull towards you and not up, or you might damage the connector. Then take your T5 torah screwdriver, and as you can see there are 5 screws in total. And we are going to unscrew the long ones, which are the top 3. Then unscrew the 2 bottommost screws. Then go ahead and take the old battery out. And now we can move on to part 2, putting the new battery in. I'm just going to slide it into the connector. Then slide the battery in place. And next I'm going to screw in all my screws. Then go ahead and put the back on top and screw it in place, starting with these 2 holes. Then repeat with the other holes. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure all the screws are nice and tight. Next, flip your Mac over and all that's left to do is calibrating the power management system. First, go ahead and charge your Mac. It should go from green to red. Keep on charging it until it's fully charged or when the light turns green. When it's fully charged, unplug it, then switch on your Mac. Go to System Preferences and go to Energy Saver. Make sure everything is on Never and everything is unticked. After that, use your Mac till the battery is completely drained. Then plug your Mac in and charge it until the light turns green. Now let's talk about disposing of your old battery. For that, follow your community guidelines on how to dispose of your battery. And do not just throw it away because it can catch fire, according to the battery at least. Okay, that's all for now, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and comment down below what you want to see next. We love hearing from you guys.